Hello Odomates and welcome back to our channel. Want to know who hasn't paid you yet and what payments you need to make? Let's check age receivables and payable reports in Odoo. What are age receivables and payables? Age receivable shows how much your customers owe you and how long it's been due. Age payable shows how much you owe to your vendors and how old those bills are. Go to your Odoo dashboard and open Accounting or Invoicing module. Click on the Reporting tab and select Age Receivables. To view the pending customer invoices sorted by the time buckets like 30 days, 31 to 60 days, and so on. Similarly, click on Aged Receivables. Similarly, click on Aged Payables to view what you owe to your vendors with the same time-wise brackets. These reports help you to track overdue amounts, plan your collections, manage vendor payments, and improve cash flow visibility. And that's how easy it is to check each receivables and payables in Odoo. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.